you are new, my name is Gabrielle Morris and welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieved this hairstyle, which is a half cornrows, half a 3-in-1 curly half wig from Hair Given Hair. I do have a coupon code for y'all to use if you want to purchase this. The coupon code is YTB, capital MORRIS. I will have it in the description box as well as the video. So again, that coupon code is YTB, capital MORRIS. So yeah, so I really love this hairstyle. I've had it in since Thursday. Today is Sunday. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this hairstyle from both women and men, and I am loving it. It looks very natural, very cute, very simple, very easy. If you are doing a heat-free summer, this is perfect for you, or just like a heat-free styles. I do not have any leave out whatsoever besides these braids, and so I don't have to worry about blending my hair or anything like that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I know there's a name for it, like Fulani or something. I think that's how you pronounce it, Fulani Braids. But baby, to me, these are just cornrows, okay? Cornrows and some curls in the back. I used to do this hairstyle when I was a kid. That's kind of how I learned how to braid and get into like hairstyles and stuff. So you can do this with clip-ins, with your natural hair, with whatever. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, y'all, so I am just taking down 2 braids I had in my hair. I am getting ready to section my hair for a half up, half down. So the first half of my hair, I'm going to braid. So we're going to be braiding the first half of our hair, and then we're also going to braid the second part, but we'll get into that later. So you want to make sure that your part is really nice and crispy. This one ain't got to be that crispy, the one that's just divided into 2 sections, because it's going to be hidden with the wig. But far as like the parts for the braids, we want those to be nice and neat if you're going for a clean, sleek, braided look. And this is the way you will be parting your hair if you want the exact braid pattern that I have. So you'll see I am doing like a diagonal part and then another diagonal on the other side, which is going to leave us with a triangle in the middle. So pretty much I guess we'll have like 3 triangles all together. And I'm just cleaning up my part right here. I did pre-section a few of my braids with a clip just to make sure that everything was nice and evenly proportioned. I am going to take some Shine and Jam to braid my hair with. This is going to help create a nice, clean, crispy look and also help hold our braids so that they don't get frizzy or fuzzy fast. And then I am going to secure my hair with a rubber band, each braid with a rubber band once I'm done. So I'm just going to braid all of my hair, and then the back half you all will see I'm going to braid that into 3 sections once I'm completely done braiding, and then I'll be back afterwards. I'm just gonna let the music play because I'm a visual learner and I don't like all that talking sometimes, so yeah.
If you be the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a few. Painter baby, be the reporter baby, be the you. It's all a cigarette, another smoker. We raise the bet, you're the joker. What you? If I can be the blackboard, you can be the top. If I can be the one, yeah. When the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in my eyes, your pretty little hand. Even when we're down to the wire, baby, even when you are down, we can do it better, sleep on the night. This love is a short
With that, never gotta see that. With that, never gotta see that. With that, never gotta see that. With that, never gotta see that.
Be the fire, baby, from the blunt. Be the lighter, baby, fire it up, write it, baby. Be the from the lyric, baby. Be the board that sing on the sun. Clouds, I'm a worm, and it's you.
So now that we are done with our braids, I just secured it with a rubber band. I am oiling my hair, and now I'm getting ready to apply the Hair Given Hair 3-in-1 curly half wig. Now remember, you all can use the coupon code YTB, capital MORRIS, for cash off. That is YTB Morris, and I will have it in the description box as well as the video. But I'm just applying my wig with my comb attachments, and once I get done doing that, I'm just going to fluff out the hair to my liking, get it to how I want it, how big I want it. If you want to keep the curls more maintained, like really like not big, then don't do nothing to it. But I like to fluff mine out. As you can see the difference between this side versus the unfluffed. So y'all can see I'm feeling myself right here. It looks good, it looks natural, and that's pretty much it. Just fluff it out how you want it, and bada bing bada boom. Okay, y'all, so these are the final results of my hair. Today is Sunday, so I did this hairstyle Thursday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's been 3 days. I am absolutely loving this hair. It is perfect for summer, especially if you're doing no heat or like heat-free styles or little to no heat. This hairstyle is perfect. I do not have to worry about blending my hair in whatsoever, and I absolutely love that. As y'all can see, like the hair is doing what it needs to do, okay? And it's just a vibe. I feel like it's perfect for the summertime. And did I show y'all how I put this wig on? I don't even know. But as y'all can see, like, I'm gonna take it off. Oh, I did show y'all, ouch, me putting the wig on. But yeah, so I just rubber band my hair, and that's it, just so y'all can get a better detailed look. You can still oil your hair, you can still get in there, you can still scratch. And if you just wanted to freshen up your braids, you can still do that without having to, like, if you don't have to do the whole section, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just keeps everything nice and simple, and I love it. So I love these combs, that they're comb attachments rather than clips. Hopefully I'm putting this back on right. And then a lot of times I don't even have to use all the combs. Like sometimes I don't even use the back comb if I'm not doing anything. Now if I need it secured, then I'm gonna make sure that back comb is in there and secured. So what I use for my curls, I just use this foam, which is the Doe Mousse texture foam, the all-in-one styler for all hair types. I use this, so I wet the hair, I put this all over the hair, and then I use like a detangling brush to brush it in, saturate it. I did put a lot in there. And then I also use this My Black is Beautiful defining jelly. It is golden milk with honey and coconut oil, so I use this. I love using this on my natural hair as well. This stuff does amazing. It doesn't have like a hard crunch or hold to it, so that is one thing that I love about that. Like, it has a hard cast when it dries, but all you gotta do is put a little oil in your hand and then rub it out, and the crunch is gone. Like, this hair is soft, it's giving natural, it's giving it's my hair, okay? You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. I love it. I wish my hair is this nice and full, so this is perfect for my fine haired girlies. Y'all know I'm a fine hair, low density girl, so this is perfect because my curls do not get this big. They do not get this thick. So this is what it looks like from the side. This is my left side, and then this is the back. And then this is my right side. So I love it. I've had several people ask me, is this my hair? No, it is not. But if you want to think that, go right ahead. So I love, love, love this style, and I'm going to be rocking this for a while. And it's perfect because if you don't want to pay somebody to do your hair and you know how to braid, that's all you got to do. Buy your wig, spend your little money. This wig I've had since last year, fall of last year, and it's doing well. The shedding is regular. It's not anything that's crazy. You just get minimum regular low maintenance curly shedding. And then also, if you don't know how to braid, maybe ask like a family member or friend, or you can go to the Africans, have them braided, leave your edges out, of course. And yeah, girl, so you're good to go. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this tutorial and if y'all want more hair tutorials. I enjoyed filming this and creating this look. And once again, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you all more than you know, and I will see y'all in my next video.